Two-tier installation instructions, tips and tricks. Table setup. Unfold the top section and then the base section. Ensure the 4 rubber stoppers are either removed or installed on the furthest corners. Next, set two-tier on a flat, sturdy surface. Holding the base portion, rest your laptop in the hooks. While holding the base, use your free hand to adjust the middle section and top section of two-tier to your desired height. Continue adjusting until the arrangement feels stable. Slowly release your hand from the base, making sure the two-tier does not lean or fall backward. You can now begin work using an external keyboard and mouse. DeskView setup. Unfold the top section and then unfold the base section to just under 180 degrees. Adjust the lower rubber stoppers to your desired working height. Insert the base section between the back of your DeskView and the glass. Once installed, the base section should be leaning slightly away from the glass. Holding the base, adjust the middle and top sections to your desired working height. Rest your laptop in the hooks. Holding the base, readjust the middle and top sections if needed. Pro tip: for the most stable work setup, use your elbows to lean slightly on your DeskView. This will open the gap between the back of your DeskView and the glass. Holding the base, adjust the middle and top sections so your computer screen rests flat against the glass. When you release, this small adjustment will make the setup feel even more secure. You can now begin work using an external keyboard and mouse. If you follow these instructions, you will be able to ensure a perfect install every time. For additional helpful tips, consult the instruction manual included with your two-tier and visit our website at www.deskview.co. If you need any help, you can always reach us at contact@shopdeskview.com.